Hello and welcome to this AB Tutor video. AB Tutor allows you to log multiple client computers on or off very quickly and easily. The log on and log off buttons can be found by default in the action panel on the right side of the console or in the top toolbar. To log computers on, as with all actions, select the computers or groups you want to affect and then click the log on button. This will open a dialog box allowing you to specify the username, password and optionally the domain you want to use to log on. This does require all computers to be logged in with the same credentials, but this is useful when using generic accounts either for younger children or for special cases such as exams. Once the details are filled in, click Log On to send the command to the client computers, and they will automatically run through the login process. If someone is already logged in on a computer, the command will be ignored, so it's safe to send to a whole room even if somebody is already using a computer. It won't log them out. The default logon method will work in nearly all situations, including when an AUP is set. However, we have seen a small number of unusual setups where the logon fails. If this happens, there is a backup method which can be activated by opening the central server's web interface, going to Device Settings and General, then ticking Use Key Sequence for Windows Login. This tells the client to log in by manually sending the key presses rather than hooking into the Windows login system, and is less secure, but it can solve compatibility problems. The second half of this functionality is the log off option. To use this, again select the devices or groups you want to affect, but this time click the log off button. Again, a dialog box will open. If you leave the display countdown message box unticked, then the selected client will log off as soon as you press the log off button. However, if you want to give them a warning, you can tick the box and enter a message such as "This computer will be logged off in 5 minutes." Previously used messages can be selected from the drop-down menu, and as usual, old messages can be removed by selecting them, then right-clicking on them and selecting either Remove to remove a single message or Remove All to wipe the list. Under the drop-down, you can configure how long the warning message will show for before the computer logs off, and an option to allow the user to override the log off command. This override is useful if you have a room with a large number of computers, but only some of them are in use. It allows anyone who is still actively using a computer to continue with their work, whilst freeing up any abandoned computers for new users. Once configured, the log off command can be sent by clicking the button, and once the countdown reaches 0, the client computer will automatically log off. Of course, individual computers can also be logged on and off manually using the shared control option in a watch session, but this method allows for multiple computers to be triggered simultaneously. I hope this has told you everything you need to know about logging on and off, but if you have any questions, as always, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com. Thanks for watching.